Jamaican Law Enforcement Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang says the ministry will be spending billions to build and retrofit police stations in St. James this financial year. Noting the need for efficient deployment of members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Dr. Chang says stability must be maintained in downtown Montego Bay. He also acknowledged the deplorable working conditions in at least one of the stations where the roof is collapsing.
We have to move them out of that and look at building a proper area facility. So we took a look at what is the Orange Street facility, which very few people are aware of or can sensitive to, where we have big enough space to build a new facility. That will be a little bit in the medium term, but the Montego facility is well on the way. But I said we should be able to begin them at the end of financial year. The projected cost is about $7 million.
He says the Area 1 Police Headquarters in St. James will be temporarily relocated to the Barnett Tech Park in Fairfield in the parish. The Area 1 division covers Trelawney, St. James, Hanover and Westmoreland. Dr. Chang made the disclosure during a tour of several police stations in the parish Saturday morning.